Okay, this might... Hello? Hello? This time blue is first. Let's go! More first, people. And it goes back again. What the heck is wrong with this? It worked yesterday. It worked perfectly fine yesterday. Okay. How do we fix this? Maybe if I put my router higher? Give me a second, I'll try fixing this. Just a second. Is this gonna work? I mean, it seems stable for now, I guess. Hey, LC and hey, Blue. I hope both are having a wonderful day, a great one. I'm trying to not die. It goes back. Wow. Why? Okay, it's fine. It's fine, right? It will be fine for now, please? Okay, but the plan for today is to start learning how to make games. I've always had this on my radar, but never actually got to this. I have the Zevent 2024 thingy, yep. I've participated in the Zevent, donated money to charity. It's a cool thingy. Not many people have this, so that's nice. And it's like, it's nice looking as well. Okay. I hope it's that Wi-Fi stay alive long enough to so Twitch counts the watch streak. It would be sad if you lost your watch streak because my internet died and I had to restart the stream like 5 times or something like that. That would be very sad. Okay, seems somewhat okay now. I don't want to jinx it. Oh, I could leave. There is. Is it only in French? No. There were some streamers that speak English. I mean, if both French and English, that participated in that as well. So that's why I knew about it, and that's how I took part in it as well. Because it is mainly French, from what I know. The event is mainly French, so yeah. Are you guys fine if it lags a little bit here and there? Because it seems like every a minute or two it drops and then just comes back again. That's really bad. It's huge in France? Oh, that's nice. It's really good. Damn it. It annoys me so much to see that. Can I... give me a second, I'm gonna try. Unless I make the stream quality like 480p. 5K, apply, okay. And yes. I can pause and unpause and it updates to the current stream, yeah I know, but it's still annoying. It's annoying to do and you will lose like bits of it, VOD will be jittery and all that stuff, and I hate this. It was working fine yesterday. It was working normal yesterday. There is one more thing I could try. And that would be to set it up from my mobile phone instead of my router. I could try that. Oh, I can move my router to one more place. It usually works when I do that, so give me one more minute. Okay. My internet is cutting off. Want to work as well, but for some reason, if I put my router in the middle of my room, not next to the window, not next to the door, next to anything, like just in the middle of my room, for some reason it works pretty nicely. And I just moved it there. It's my like last resort, because sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't, but we'll see how it's gonna go. But, well, as a good dev stream, we've got tech issues, so let's go. Let's go! So, okay. Seems like it's somewhat stable now, though. I'm happy with this. I'm not gonna touch anything. But yeah. Let's go. So I can go here then? I think so. There we go. I set everything up for this. Everything should be working. Everything should be fine. Maybe the room is like a microwave and the internet bounces around the wall to focus in the middle. Maybe the room is set up in that way. The architectural genius that focuses the waves, the internet waves. Maybe. At this point I am willing to believe that. Oh, Unity, yeah. I mean, I have a little bit of experience with Unity, like really, like a tiny. I tried doing that like once or twice. Look at this dude, tech issues. Yeah, I barely started the stream. I have not even started coding anything or trying to make anything. And I already have tech issues. Now we can make remake Master Duel. Oh wow, I have no idea. YouTube? Yeah, now comments from YouTube should also appear on the screen. It's not as pretty, and like I didn't know where to put it or how to make it, but seems like this is pretty decent. Yeah, it has that YouTube thingy right there. Is YouTube working? I have no way of checking, because if I try to check my streams, my internet is gonna I hate YouTube. I like YouTube as a platform. Let's fight. Fight Anna. Anna is on YouTube. Do it. Fight Anna. Great start. I mean, it's a classic start, you know, Anna? It's a classic start. What would be a dev stream without tech issues, right? So, at least we've got that checked out, right? We can delete this from our to-do list and forget about any tech issues, right? We've already been through this, we already done those. We can move to next experiences, right? YouTube Twitch? I don't know, I really like Twitch as a community thingy. Has way better emotes, way better chat, less delay, better community, like community management and stuff like that. You know, if you want, I will not. Yeah, Twitch is, I mean, YouTube is better on the rewinding. Like, the player itself is so much better. My adblock is there. Okay, I guess that's another upside as well. Wait, talking about ads, there is all that thing going on the Twitch with ads and stuff like that, right? I was thinking about putting politics in my tags on Twitch so I don't get ads, so you guys don't see ads on my Twitch channel. Because currently some tags are demonetized, so I can just put like politics tag so I don't show ad. If I did that though, I would probably put another tag right next to it where I would say like politics is only for no ads. Let's go, no money for Twitch. Exactly. Technically I also get some money for ads, but to be honest, I'm gonna be real with you, it ain't that much. I mean, the fact that I don't have a lot of viewers, that's another event, you know, ads paid based on viewers, you know. It's fine. Let's go to cents. Sometimes, yes, sometimes I can get even 2 cents. I think the most I got from ads was like 12 cents from one stream. Wait, no, let me check. Actually, let me check. Because I can check that. Analytics, I think it's stream overview, I think. How close did CJ ever get to minimum earning level for Twitch to pay you? I actually got paid a few times. I think overall I got like $250 from Twitch. Around that, I think. So it did happen a few times. That's, you know, that's nice. Oh wait, actually that's, I got 26 cents from yesterday's stream, or today's. How much did the Twitch thing cost though? What's Twitch thing? Which one? Which one are we talking about? Wait, let me check. Like this? Can I go back more in time? Oh, I can. I mean, in the whole of September 2024, I made $1.25. Everything. My model costed like $40, I think. I guess a webcam costed like $10. I guess the thing that would cost the most is the electric bill, but I would be on my PC anyway at that times. So like I started very cheapy, like very, very cheap. I started for like nothing. That doesn't count, yeah? Yeah, so basically nothing. I think I gave... Did I send Anna some money for this? I forgot. I forgot. So like, I did not pay much. Oh wait, for emotes. I paid my artist for emotes, right? That's that one. It costed like $40 in total, I think. Even the webcam can be used for other things. The thing is, the webcam is dead. So it cannot be used for other things anymore. Basically. Yeah, I on average got like 50 cents per month from ads. Nice. Nice. Yeah, but to be honest, this is nice too. I mean, I don't have to worry about moving my head wrong and then my whole model exploding or something like that, right? But yeah. So on average, I got like 50 cents from ads. You did give me money for that, even though that was a gift. Okay, so you gave me a gift, and then I gifted you some money because I appreciated your gift. Oh, really used. It was funny though. Sometimes it was funny, yeah. I will probably look for something else, but next time I might make like a smaller smaller, maybe maybe I'll try making my own model or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. For now, this will work. Unless I'm gonna finally buy another webcam. Possible. Very possible. Oh, right, Anna. My artistic friend, my... How do you feel about drawing some stuff for some dollars? Because now that I started doing the YouTube streams thingies, I kinda want like a starting screen, like a thumbnail thingy, like 1 or 2. I've been thinking if I should, I don't know, commission someone for that. I haven't been to Twitch most recently because of way too many ads. Ads are annoying. Wait, I can try it out. You know what? Let's try it out. I'm gonna put politics into my I'm gonna put politics as my tags, and then okay, I need to remove one. I guess no one takes me for XQC. Perfect. Wait. Your screen moved? What do you mean? My screen moved? Did something happen? That should be moving. I can do that for you. Yeah, I have design document for whatever game you're making. Yes, you can see it right on the screen. Alright, this is my design document. Analytics, yes, exactly. Exactly. So this is my design document. Did the tags update? Okay, now we wait for next ads, and we'll see if it's gonna play or not. The program is already finished. I mean, technically, if I don't add anything to the parameters or like the design thingy, then it's already finished. Right now I'm making it less finished. But yeah, have you guys... Okay, so I had a few ideas for like a simple games or simple like first projects. Right? If I wanted to start making a game, I shouldn't probably start with my dream game of making like MMO or like a FPS, or maybe not FPS. I like RTS games more a little bit, and MMOs. Those are good. But instead of going for that from the start, yeah, probably that's a bad idea. Do you guys remember that old game like Asteroid Shooter? I think it is. Wait, let me search it up. Asteroid Shooter? I think that was the name of the game, like something like that. Like based on this, right? Wait, can I make this bigger? Can I make the font bigger? I just downloaded Notepad++ to look professional. Hey John, how are you doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Where the heck have you been? Well, I had problems in my life. I needed to take care of them, needed some time for myself, and now I am back. You never use it? I used to use it when I had my IT classes in like high school or university. So I used it then, and I used it when I was trying to make games before. Those 2 times. So that's why I knew this exists, right? But hey, John, Nice to see you again. Hope you're bowling champion by now. Okay, where do you... It should be... Pawns, right? Oh, exact. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect for my eyes now. So, something like that. Maybe it was just asteroids. The Atari game? Maybe. Maybe it was that. But basically, yeah. Yeah, that's the asteroids on Atari. Or by Atari, I don't know. But basically, yeah. So, what this means, I need to move around. Like, I need to do that. Be able to do that. Shoot. Right. 1979 game. Yeah. That old one. Yes. That's the one I meant. The one. So, what else? Probably generate asteroids. That will be maybe the hardest part for the game. Give points for destroying asteroids. That would be next one. Maybe HP bar. Yeah. HP. And HP bar, I guess? Both, because first I need to make the HP thingy. Okay, what else? What else would be needed there? I mean, destroying asteroids is in the shoot thingy. Points for destroying asteroids, right? This makes sense. So I guess that would be the base plan for this, right? I think that's enough for like a first project. I wonder how long it's gonna take. Move around, how? Basically, I don't know. We don't know yet. Probably by applying force. Because I do know there is few ways to make vertical only. Oh, right. 4 dimensions. I'm gonna move in 4. Yes. Instead of 4 directions, I'm gonna move in 4 dimensions. That would be something. Could you imagine that? Because I can't. 4 directions. Up, down, left, right, right? That would be the thingy. So you think that's the plan? We can always add more things. Move in time. I guess... Oh, it's called reloading. I mean, if we made time travel like an integral part of the game, technically we move in 4 dimensions, yes. But I think for now we will stick to 2 dimensions. Do that way. Yeah, for now I think 2 dimensions, 4 directions is pretty decent. Okay, so that's the basics. Well, let's start doing it. If I remember correctly, you can create things here, yeah, like sprites. A square. I can be a square. Yes. Player. I can be a square player. Where is it? Can I put it on here? Why is this? This is not square. Wait, no, it is square. Okay. Never mind. Look, I made a player. I'm so good at this. Okay, this doesn't matter that much, right? I probably need to... Okay, how do you do that? I think what you need that... Let's check what is here, like in general. Physics material might be useful. Not sprites, animations no, audio no, not for now. Scene no, scripting. Mono behavior. Okay, scripts, that's gonna be... probably... Square is perfect for testing, yeah. To be honest, I was aiming for a circle, but forgot that circle is circle and not a square. That's why I was surprised it was a square and not a circle, but you know. Not shaders, not testing. We should be able to attach some things to this, right? How do you do this? No, not sprite editor, that's for later when we make art for this, or we don't. Open C# project, that's for later, not yet, not yet. We need to add something to the player, probably collider, if I remember correctly, which will make it collide with things. Rigid body, was it named? I'm trying to relearn this whole thingy, Unity. I could search it on the internet, that would be probably easiest. Do I need to do it in another way? Oh, what this? Oh, oh yeah. That's how it should be. Yeah. Project in C# will be for later. That's for doing things. Properties? No, that's the same thing as here. So not that. What else do we have? Assets. I want game object. Oh, wait. Physics? Maybe that's sprite mask? What's that? Effects? No. Okay, we search internet. That usually works. What are we making a player? Oh, I found something on the internet. Like this?
A moving and jumping player is the foundation of every platformer. And some of you have asked me if I could make a simple tutorial about player movement with Unity's old input system. So let's boot up Unity and see where the magic happens. I set up a small demo scene with some platforms, and each one of them has a sprite render.
Wait. Yeah, it has the box collider thingy, the thingy. Did I set it up wrong? Maybe. Did I set it up wrong? Should I... Gay object, create empty. Do I do it that way? Wait! Okay. I see. That's where it... Oh! Nice. Box collider 2D. Exactly what we needed. Now we need to add the sprite to it. Can I do it that way? Oh! Nice. No, I don't need this one. This is my player now. Okay. That works. Thank you very much for the follow, Shadow Stream. Appreciate that a lot. How are you doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Okay. Now this will make it easier, I hope. Okay, we've got the box collider. With this, we should be able to interact with things. What else is there? Is there like a... No? A rigid body. Is this for it? I think the rigid body is for physics? Can I play this? What's just gonna happen? I want to test it immediately. I think I broke something. Yeah, it adds physics. Good, nice. Do I want physics on this though? Some of them, yes. Gravity, 0. We don't want gravity. We want mass, so collisions work, I guess. Probably, maybe. But we don't want gravity, because it's gonna be in space, right? The setup is asteroid shooter. So we don't want gravity. Nice. Okay, we've got something. Got something to work on. Now I just realized that the chat placement is horrible. But to be honest, there is no better place to put it. You kinda can see what's here. No, it's fine, it's fine. Okay. Okay, we've got rigid body. Now, how to make it move? Is there a thingy like apply force? Or playables? No. What is there? Script. So does it have? It has some scripts. Mesh. I don't think we need mesh yet. We've got our square. Square is nice. Input. Oh. Player input manager. Which one is switch? I don't know. Let's add player input. Behavior. Oh. Keyboard and mouse default. Let's say. Input settings. Okay, is there anything in here? Oh, we created something. That's only like the settings for those. It's not. I guess I would have to create it by myself. Oh, wait. Move. Actions. Okay, WASD. Wait, is it gonna work just like that? Wait. If I start it right now, it doesn't have gravity, so it shouldn't go down. No, it's not working with WASD. Probably need to assign it somehow, somewhere. But it's there, right? It is there. That's good. Wonder. Input settings. I can't really. Okay, so it's only this. Let's check internets. What internets are saying. Okay. What is internet saying?
I also created some folders and imported my player sprite as well as a simple square for my platforms.
Okay, that's not needed.
Let's create an empty game object called player and reset its position, rotation and scale.
Sure.
Next, we add a sprite renderer to our player and select our player sprite.
I think I already had that because I created sprite before.
Unity's built-in physics engine, our player needs a rigid body 2D and a box collider 2D.
Okay, I've got those. I'm way ahead of this guy.
The gravity scale a little bit, but that's
No. We go 0 because we don't need the gravity.
We set the collision detection to continuous, the sleeping mode to never sleep, and the interpolation to interpolate.
Okay, collision detection continuous. I guess it's to always check for collisions. Makes sense, yeah. Sleeping mode. I guess we don't want player to sleep. Or the rigid body to sleep, right? And interpolate. What is interpolate? What does this mean? Interpolate. It's some math thingy. Oh, so approximate the value. Okay, basing on something. Okay. Oh, so probably for the position of the player? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I think this is when you have the current information and you guess what comes next. Yeah, basing on your current information, you interpolate what will happen? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. I get that. What goes next?
We don't want our player's rotation to be affected by physics, so make sure to test.
Oh, rotate. Do we want to rotate player? I could stop it for now, but I don't think it matters. It's gonna be funny. This could be funny when it will start rotating out of nowhere. Okay, I leave that in.
Breeze rotation.
The starships
Let's
rotate as
create
well, so
another
makes
empty
sense.
game object called ground check as a child of our player and position it right at our player's feet. Now it's time to give our player the ability to move and jump.
So that's for
Let's
later
add a
ground
script
check.
to our player and open it up.
We don't even want ground check now. Wait. What did he do?
Player the ability to move and jump.
Okay, yes, we
Let's add
done.
a script to our player and open it up.
Custom scripts, let's go! We're doing custom scripts. Let's see how much I remember from C#. Yes, new script. Create and add. Did I really? Oh, there we go. Create and add. Okay, compiling scripts. Can I open it? Oh, it's here. Okay. Wait, is it not gonna dox me? Please don't dox me. I don't think anything here dox me. Nice. Okay, we got things. Okay. Do you want to install the recommended C# dev kit? Do I want that? Maybe later. Or install. Maybe I should have done it before. Maybe I should have done that before. Recommended Unity extension. Sure. Let's see if this breaks my internet. Wait, I probably shouldn't do it right now. Might require to restart. The worst case, it's not gonna take effect until after. Can I stop the downloads or something? It can be going in the background, right? Okay. It's fine. And I think last time I did it with like add force function, I think. Let's check how he does it.
First of all, we need 4 private variables. A float for the horizontal input, a float for the speed.
Can't we just do... I think C# has that thingy where you don't need to declare anymore the type of, like the float, like the integer float string or like that. You can just do arg. Wait, it wasn't arg. Which one was it? It's been a while. I thought C# had it, where it would basically deduct the type of thingy you put inside. I forgot what was the shortcut for it. I guess I can search it. What? How do you search it even? Variable. Was it var? Was it var? now. Because I remember this thingy being something. It existed. Maybe I'm going crazy. Oh well, let's do it with... Am I doing it right? Is that how it's spelled? It's private, yeah. Yep. Yep. Spelling. I'm guessing. Of course, I'm forgetting those. Ah, what? What? Oh, okay, it stopped. Okay, it updated, I guess. Sure. Sure. Do it in the background. Speed and... I don't know, let's start with 1, 2. No, we need that at the end. And what's the third one?
Float for the jumping power. And the boolean that indicates whether our player is facing left or right.
Okay, we don't need that. We don't need jumping power and we don't need facing. Check. Those are not important for us. The horizontal, vertical, speed, I guess. I'll guess how we're doing today. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hi, how we doing? How's it going? To those 3. I think that's all we need for now.
Next, we need 3 serialized fields to reference the rigid body, the ground check and the ground layer.
Okay.
We're going to add the ground layer later in Unity.
I don't need ground check at ground layer.
We parse the return value of input.getAxis raw horizontal into our horizontal variable.
Stop it. Why? Why are you doing this? Why do you feel the need to do this? I'm focused. I try to do things. Hey Lola, hope you're having a wonderful day. How are you doing? Doing great, how are you? I'm doing pretty alright. Trying to learn stuff. Doing something for the first time, like something meaningful, I guess. You're making a game? Yep, I'm learning from zero. So if you want to learn how to make the games with me, you can just follow the same thing I do. Or like, do stuff with me. Oh, look at that time. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you don't want to, don't worry about that. So that's the function I was thinking of. Yes, horizontal. How do you take this? Do you do space? Yes, space. Nice. Okay, that makes it so much faster. Spacebar it is. Input that get Let's see. Is it uppercase sensitive or is it not? It might be. Wait, if I do it like that. Is it gonna recognize that? Or is it not gonna recognize that? Is it gonna work or not? It didn't change color, so I am quite worried. But don't worry. We do it more. Oh, yes. Okay, not spacebar. Enter. Okay, there we go. And vertical, I'm guessing. And of course, what do I forget? I forget those. Always forget those. Okay, that makes sense. It's gonna take the inputs. There are inputs not edited in any way. So I'm guessing on controller it would be, because controllers are like, they have the range, right? If you press or like move the stick a little bit, it moves a little bit. So on controller it would make difference probably, because you could move a little bit to the left or a lot to the left. On the keyboard I'm guessing it's gonna be is either 0 or 1, right? We either move to the left or we don't move to the left. Gotcha. I think so, at least. That makes sense. Why are you despairing, Dolan? Why? It makes sense. Everything makes sense. Everything makes sense, don't worry. Okay.
This returns a value of either -1, 0, or +1, depending.
Oh, right, -1. Yeah. Is there a song request still? I have a few songs. Calm, nothing crazy. For now, I don't have it set up. Because before I had it set up with YouTube, but now YouTube takes a little bit too much internet for me, and I have a really bad internet path. So for now, I have it disabled. You can send it in the Discord, then I might like add it to my Spotify playlist for later or something like that. Or if you find it on Spotify, or I can find it on Spotify, that works too. I remember some people have expensive keyboard that can measure sensitivity, but those are not common. Oh, I have no idea those existed, to be honest. That's cool. Yeah, that would be cool. But yeah, since the axis is two dimensions, two directions, right? It's left, right, up, down. It would measure from -1 to 1, so -1, 0, and 1 in this, because it's keyboard. Not fancy keyboard. Okay, makes sense.
Depending on the direction we are moving. In the fixed update method, we set the x component of our rigid body's velocity to our horizontal input multiplied by our speed value.
Okay. Fixed update, so I'm guessing it updates in fixed intervals. Rigid body velocity, so basically rigid body is the thing that gives where is it? Our game object. So for example, our player. Let's rename it. Can I rename it? Rename, thank you. Player, right? It gives our player physics, right? It's a Unity physics thingy for 2D, because we have the 2D thingy. So it tells, the script basically tells a rigid body, so the physics thingy, to apply force. Okay. They're not the same level of control as a controller, but it has like 3 levels of being pressed, so you can slow movements in games. Oh! Wait, that's yeah, that's kind of cool. You would need to get used to it, probably. Getting used to it would take a while. And I wonder how prone to, like, breaking those are, how sensitive those are, because some people really do mash their keys. Just saying. Just saying. Okay, so we gonna need this. I still am not sure what serialized field is. Private body to E RB, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. It doesn't change colors. I am slightly worried. I might not have some plugins though, so maybe that's why. Wait, I did it wrong. Wait, no. I did it right. No, I did it wrong. That's not supposed to be in the start, because start only initializes once. We need it to be in update, because it updates. Yes. So this is not needed for us. Yes, okay. Okay, good thing I tried. Usually I wouldn't. I would miss that. Now we need a fix update. Okay. Oh, it doesn't open those automatically. Some editors do that. RB velocity. Okay. And okay, we do it on vectors. Gotcha. And we get our horizontal, yes, our horizontal, and multiply it by speed. So the input from like AD, WSAD, and multiply it by our speed, which is, we set it to 2f. Okay. And the second variable would be velocity. That y? Just that? I think we need, because our game would go in like, it's a sorry shooter, right? So it would go in all 4 directions, not only 2 directions, right? We would need to add here, to make the vector, also the vertical speed, right? One component would be horizontal speed, then the other would be vertical speed, and that's how we make our movement, right? Because we want to move in all 4 directions. So that would be vertical. Did I spell it right? I hope I did. I'm guessing most of the problems with this will be my spelling. But that's good, that's good. At least that's problems I can fix. Oh wait, no, times speed as well, right? And that's it. That will be our movement, right? One of the axes would be horizontal and the other would be vertical, right? And then after we sum up those, we should get a new vector, which would be basically our speed vector. So if we go a little bit this, like we go a little bit left and a little bit up, we should go horizontally like that. like that, right? I hope this works like that. I'm just applying like physics logic to this.
Let's create a private method called flip.
Why? We don't want to flip.
If it's facing right is true and our horizontal input
Okay, so that's for the 2D platformer
or if
thing.
it's
We
facing
don't care
right is
about that.
false and our horizontal x we simply
Yeah.
call our new method inside the update method.
Okay, no,
Moving
we don't
should
need
work
that.
fine now, but we're still missing the ability to jump.
Okay, so if moving should work fine now, that means... Wait, did I save this? What's this? Wrap every argument? Huh? What does this mean? Oh. 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 I don't think I wanted that though. That I am not sure if I want that. It looks cleaner, yes. I don't think I want that. Wait, can I not undo this? Oh. Oh. I mean, that's basically... I remember there was something with this sign. Like, you basically assign this as a value, right? Let's hope it works and it doesn't break. Did I save it? Do I have to save it? Control S, yes. Okay. Now it should be saved. Nice. Okay, something updated. We good. Now let's check. Is it added here? Yes, we have player movement script. I probably should remove the player input since I am not gonna remove component. Yes, okay. I'm not gonna use that. Now let's check. Please work. Oh, apparently we had ads. Did the ads play? Because Twitch just told me we had ads just now. If tags work, then we shouldn't have no tags, no ads. I hope it works. Okay. Okay. I'll compiler's errors. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have errors. Okay. Okay, yeah, so I shouldn't probably have done this. Okay. Save this. Okay. This saves. How about now? No. Ah. Imagine having ads. Well, if everything works well, I will have no ads. Okay, we have problems. Huh? What are those errors? I want to check them. Okay. I mean, wait. Did I move this? Okay, yeah, okay. Why is it moved so much? I didn't want to move this. Did I screw something up? I took. Okay. 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 Can I close this? I don't need those. This takes space. Can I close this? How do I close this? Oh, perfect. Nice. I don't need that. Until later when I do need that and I don't have that and I don't know how to make it appear again. But that's fine. Okay, now that I added that semicolon, everything will be working, I hope. Save it. This updates. Some of these project source files refer to API that has changed. This can be automatically updated. It is recommended to have a backup of the project before updating. Player movement API that has changed? Sure. Sure. The name vertical does not exist. Okay, now we good. Now we good. Okay, everything is good now, I think. Okay. Okay. Any more errors? Please, no more errors. No errors. Let's go. The server I'm working on for work has kicked me out due to the maintenance. I have to wait 1 hour until I can continue my work. Well, to me that seems like 1 hour of paid break. Just saying, to me it sounds like it's not your fault. The employer has not made you aware of it before. It has not provided you a workaround around it for work. So, to me it sounds like a 1 hour break. Free, I mean paid break. Just saying. Okay. No more errors. We fix the mistakes. Come on. It's not moving. Huh. Input axis horizontal is not set up. Why not? It should be. Can I make this bigger? Oh. Oh, they will pay me this hour? Like, normally as they pay you every time? I think, unless you need to be logged in to be, like, on the clock. Player movement has not been assigned. You probably need to assign the RP variable of the player movement script in inspector. Oh. Okay. Okay. So we do it this way. We assigned, okay. Makes sense. We did not assign the rigid body that the script was referencing. Like it only had like space for a rigid body, but we did not assign any rigid body to reference, right? We did not basically connect the body and the script. Makes sense, okay? Makes sense. How about now that we actually combined it? Okay. Input axis is not set up. Okay. Okay. But I did set it up. Why are you lying to me? It's in here. Horizontal. Did I spell it wrong? Console. Horizontal. Vertical seems set up properly? Oh, wait. Argument it's not set up. Wait. So we go to edit, project settings, and then input manager. Give me, make it bigger, please. Please make it bigger. I need to make it bigger. I need to see what's this. Input manager. Use physical keys. Yeah, I mean. Can I add? Create new. Sure. Should there be something in here? Oh, wait. Okay, I needed to. Okay. It's set up though. It's light, left and right. AD. Huh? It's set up though. Or is it because I created it just right now? It wasn't created before? Did I create it and then that's why it's set up right now? Because it is set up. Okay. Okay. It's gonna work now? Is it gonna work? No. Axis horizontal is not set up. Still, but it's there. Okay, stop it. I don't want more error messages, please. Okay, but it's there. Input axis horizontal is not set up. Input settings use edit, project settings, input manager, but I was just there. Project settings, input manager, it's here. Axis. Right here. Horizontal. AD. Bye. Do I need to save it somehow? No, don't open this, don't open this browser. No, we don't open that one. I mean, those keys are set up. Did I mess up something before? Okay, time to Google. Horizontal is not set up. Okay, I see not only me is. Oh, wait. Wait. This. Did I spell it right? Horizontal. I think horizontal is spelled right. It's here too, and then it's here too. Okay. Oh. Why? Why? Why can I not spell? I feel like this will be a reoccurring theme in here. Oh well. Okay, now I'm gonna try better. Now I'm gonna try harder. do it better, faster. Okay, technically now it should be set up. Now it should be okay. Please. Yes! It moves! Look at this! It moves! And it doesn't move only like this and this, this and this, it also moves diagonally. I did it. We did it. Let's go. Maybe a small thing, but that's a victory. That means that we have one of our things set up. Move around 4 directions. You can give it a check mark. I don't remember the code for check mark. Can I just do this? Yes, nice. I love this. It's done. Nice. This will be probably kind of hard. Give points for the shrink asteroids. Oh, no, this one. Give points for the shrink asteroids, I guess it will not be hard, but generate asteroids will be hard. Now shooting. That will be probably another. Okay, we can close this, stop playing our beautiful game. Oh. That's such a good game. Such a good game. Okay, so that works. I've got one out of the way. Next thing would be to make it shoot. So probably we need bullets, right? Do we create 2D object, right? Or how was it? Wait, now. What would it need to be? Basically, you need to create like balls and give them force, right? Like, let's say on the right side or the left side. Thank you very much for the follow, Hackdog. How are you doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. How's it going? How you doing? So yeah, I guess that will be more scripts. Bro, I need help. Bro, same. With what though? Okay, so how do we do this? I'm guessing that would be another script. We'll probably be referencing to another things like the sprite or the whole another object. I mean, maybe. Gonna need a circle. Probably. I would guess so. Might come in handy at some point. Can I make it green? It's motivated to make game, makes idea, watch game dev tutorials, try to make game for 2 weeks, get bored, take a break for 5 months, repeat. That was me. That was basically me. I had the exact same problem. So what I decided to do is make myself accountable for it by streaming it. I am right here, right now, partially because I want people to make me kinda accountable, so I continue doing that. Basically. Also, I'm trying to avoid tutorials as much as possible, because I've caught myself doing one thing. When I watch tutorial and I don't know, like the tutorial I've been watching right now, right? What I used to do is like find a tutorial that explains exactly what I needed and copy it from, like, basically copy it in its entirety. I didn't think about what I was doing. I didn't think what I needed. I just copied it, pasted it. It worked. The game was nice. It worked. But then I had no idea. I did not learn anything from it. So right now I'm trying to, when at least I'm watching tutorial, I'm at least trying to understand what it makes, why it does that, and why we choose that way. Right? But yeah. Basically, for me, the answer to your question is accountability. Like, make someone aware you are doing this and make them, like, you know, if someone knows you are doing this, then when you stop doing this, they will be kind of disappointed. And we don't want that. We don't want to disappoint other people, right? So that works for me. Usually it worked in other things, so I'm hoping it will work in this as well. We'll see though. I might still be in the circle. I might still be in the same circle. Who knows? Okay, I gonna need... I just promise someone and make a game, and every now and then she asks where it is. And it feels bad not making it. Yeah, it does feel bad. For some people it feels bad enough that they continue making it. For some people it just feels bad and they are still not doing it. So, not sure. Not 100% sure.
Hello.
If I find any other ways, I'll let you know, but for now that's all I got. I'm trying this method right now.
Everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to shoot with the simple use of the new input system.
New input system?
Go to the
Ooh.
package manager to import the new input system. You need to select Unity registry and search for input system. Then click on the install button. After,
I'm gonna try to do it again. Good luck. If you want, you can do it, like, give us an update, for example. It always is nice to have, like, other people with you doing it, so that's also an option. Uninstalled my League addiction. I haven't played League in like 2 months, so I am this close to uninstalling League. I'm this close. But I still have it on my PC. Not updated, not played, but it's still there, so who knows what game engine you're using. I'm using Unity, because that's what I know. I used to do some stuff in Unity, a few things here and there for my university, and a few things in spare time I use Unity, so I am somewhat familiar with this. Plus it uses C#, which I also had in like high school. So it's a little bit better than just learning an entire new language and entire new, you know, engine. So that's what I'm using for now. Maybe I'll change later, depending. But for basics, I feel like it's good enough.
installation, select the player and add the shooting script. First, we need to include the input system namespace to get access to certain functions and variables. Then we need a public transform point from which we shoot, and we need a public game object prefab for a bullet. In the update function, we check when the space key was pressed by writing if keyboard.current.space key that was pressed.
Ayaya, indeed, agreed. Agree, valid opinion. Okay, so... That's interesting. Do I have this? I don't remember installing it.
Player and add the shooting script. First, we need manager to import.
So we go here. Where is it? I don't know. Wait, I need to open it on another monitor. Favorite sci-fi movie? Well, movie or show? Because it's different, like TV series. For movie... Movie? That's a hard question, I guess. Interstellar? I haven't watched Interstellar. I have it on my to-watch list, and okay, before you hate me, I haven't watched Interstellar yet because I was supposed to watch it with a friend, 2 friends actually. We were supposed to have a sleepover and to watch a bunch of movies, including Interstellar, right? We wanted to watch it together. So I put off watching it for later, right? Because it didn't happen again, stuff like that, and finally they watched it without me. And now, as a sign of a protest, I did not watch it so far. But I might watch it at some point. I will probably watch it. The only sci-fi movie I really liked. I liked a few others. I don't know if you are familiar with series Stargate. They had some really good movies like Stargate Continuum. I think that would be one of my favorite sci-fi movies. To be honest, I also like Transformers. Those also count as sci-fi, right? It might be the nostalgia factor in me. I used to watch them when I was way younger, so... Guess that?
The package manager to
Window? Package manager. Okay.
To import the new input system, you need to select Unity Registry.
Unity Registry, wait, where did I put it? I lost it. I kinda lost it. Where is package manager? Oh, it's here. Unity Registry, huh? I don't see this. Okay, I think I need another tutorial. This one's ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work! Blade Runner 2049 also good. Haven't watched that one either. I haven't been watching too many movies recently. That as well. I've been more playing games or watching TV series. Because what I like to do with movies is either watch it with some friends or like in big cinema. Watch it for the memes, stay for the story. Maybe I should do that too.
And search for input system.
Input system, okay, I should probably have it somewhere in here. Input system, yeah, I do have it.
Then click on the install button.
Oh wait, no, I do have it. Okay, never mind. Then it was all for nothing. You play instruments? Yeah. I used to. Before I started working, I used to play bass. A little bit of like classical guitar as well. But mainly bass. That was my instrument of choice. Bass? Yeah, I got inspired by Davey 504. He's the GOAT. The GOAT. Hey, how about you? Do you play any instruments? Okay, so I'm not gonna need that. The GOAT, the legend. Yeah. I used to really like his videos, like in general. He would go... Like, he would make music really fun. Wait, where is it? Where is it? News. Okay, created ad. I used to play piano when I was a kid. Haven't played any instrument in ages. Ooh, piano is hard. I always like looked up to people that can play piano because I tried to play some song on piano and it's hard. Oh, I was struggling playing like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or like stuff like that, and then I hear people playing some crazy stuff and it's no, how your fingers move like this? I can't do that on keyboard. I need to open this. How do I open this? I forgot. Okay, it's here. But yeah, piano is cool. I used to have a friend that practiced playing piano on his smartphone. I mean, he liked playing piano. Keyboard, not piano. He couldn't afford piano. But he was so into it, he basically installed a bunch of games on his smartphone that were like a piano simulator, stuff like that. And he would play that non-stop. You play Genshin? I used to play Genshin, yeah. I think I played a little bit on launch for like a week. And not even a week, 2 days, I think. I think it was about 2 days. Got to level like 15 and then stopped. And then when Inazuma came out, I started playing again and played for like good 2 years, I think. About a year ago, I took a break from the game. Got bored. Did everything for so long. So there was nothing else to do basically for me there.
After installation, select the player and add the shooting script. First, we need to include the input system namespace to get...
Okay, that's fine. Engine system. Okay, that sounds easy enough. If I did not misspell it, it's gonna be a problem. Okay, we don't gonna need the start. Okay.
access to certain functions and variables. Then we need a public transform point from which we shoot.
So probably... Oh, wait. Now I just realized if we want to shoot, we'll also have to add the bullets, right? And since the bullet will be spawning from the character, I'll also have to add to the script that the bullets don't hurt the character. Otherwise, I'm thinking, I might be wrong, but God damn it, I unplugged my phone. Yeah, whatever. What did I unplug? Huh? My phone is not plugged. What did I unplug? Never mind. Everything is working. It should be fine. But yeah, I'm guessing that if we don't do that, the bullets that will spawn will immediately hit our character. The logic seems to be there.
And we need a public game object prefab
For
a
the bullet. For
In
spawning the
update
bullet.
function, We check when the space key was pressed by writing if keyboard.current.space key that was pressed this frame. If that is true, that means that we pressed the space key on this frame. Then we need to shoot, and that means to instantiate bullet prefab on shooting point position. We
Okay.
don't change rotation, so just transform that rotation. In Unity, select the plane.
Okay. That makes sense. Can you do it in other way than with the if function? Can we do it on bullet? I mean spacebar press? No. Maybe? I don't know. If we can, I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna need... Yeah. Shooting point, which will be the point from where the bullets will spawn. Yes, we need game object, so the reference for bullet prefab. So we're gonna need basically a way to reference the bullet itself, so that the script can spawn the bullet because it knows which bullet is the bullet. Okay, that makes sense. And then this if statement. Yeah. Current space key. I didn't know there was a function was pressed. Was pressed this frame? Didn't know that existed. It's not pretty. No, we do this. And so then we spawn the bullets. Instantiate. So call to this instance. Bullet prefab. And we... Okay, so we spawn the bullet at shooting point. Shooting point that position. Then transform that Y? Was it that Y?
So just transform that.
Rotation, okay. Okay. If I did not misspell anything, which is... Well, the possibility is always there. The possibility is always there. Then this should work. Okay. If I save this, right in our here, yeah, it should initiate. Oh, transfer does not contain definition for position. No accessible extension method position accepting a first argument. A type transform could be found. Okay. Errors. Nice. Okay, what's there? Transform. Did I misspell it? Is this classical case of misspelling? No. Oh. Maybe it's just like an error, like just an error. It's not gonna do anything. Okay. Ah, did not. Okay, there is no space for bullet reference. Okay, that's weird. Where is this gonna go then?
In Unity, select the player and create a child game object that we use as a shooting point position.
Okay, that makes sense. Create... create empty, I guess. Not hooting position. We're not the owls yet. Shooting position, okay. Do we add anything to this? Wait, can I? How do I move this? I mean, I don't need to move it for now. Should be able to now. That's the square. That's the shooting position. Do I need to add like a sprite to it?
So bullets will spawn from this point. Make sure you connect that with the shooting script. Just drag and drop it in the shooting point.
Okay, the shooting script did not have space for it then. For some reason, it did not create a reference point for it. So if I go here, right, there is no way to me to connect anything. And there is this error. Positon, okay, yeah, of course I misspelled that. How do you spell? Yeah, that's one missing I, yes. Position. Okay. Now we're good. Now we good. Oh, perfect. So good. We're so good. Okay, and we've got our reference points. Let's go. It's... Oh, is this the thingy? No, that's the... Let me create it in a specific way.
Just transform that rotation.
Yeah, that's fine.
In Unity, select the player and create a child game object.
Create empty, yeah.
That we use as a shooting point position.
Oh, wait. He pressed here. Oh. He pressed here. Okay, and what now? No point, we need point. Now we need to move it somehow. How do we move it? Can I just No, I can't. Hmm. Oh, wait. There we go. There we go. Okay, like this. There we go. Nice. Okay. Are moving in the right direction. Very nice. Okay, now we need to connect it to the to shooting point. Okay, and now we need to create the bullet prefab. I'm guessing we're gonna need a rigid body collider just as the player for detecting collisions and for movement. And I'm not gonna add any bullet fall of anything like that, so okay.
Object that we use as a shooting point position. So
Yes.
bullets will spawn from this point.
Mhm.
Make sure you connect that with the shooting
Yep.
script. Just
Done.
drag and drop it in the shooting point field.
Yes.
Then we need to create a bullet prefab. I will
Mhm.
use triangle sprite, change size and color. Add
I guess yeah, probably having it smaller than the player said. Nah, it's fine.
body 2D, set gravity to 0.
Okay, so we need to make it a Okay, we get circle, it's fine. Let's make it pink. Yes. Gonna have pink bullets. Nice. Okay. Gonna need to rigid body 2D. Zero gravity, we don't want gravity. Mass, we can give it less mass, like 0.5, I guess. And then we're gonna need collider, but circle collider, not box collider. Rigid body, I don't think I care about rotations at all. It's circle. Oh, it's gonna... It's no problem, it's gonna rotate, I guess. It's fine if circle rotates. Yeah. Before it causes problems later on. 100% will. Okay, so that's it, I'm guessing. And we could add like the whole bullet prefab thingy. No. Player. We add the bullet here. I'm guessing. Now I just need to give it force, give it energy, right? Movement. I could on spawn. Probably on spawn immediately, right?
And freeze rotation on Z-axis. Then we need any type of collider. I will choose Polygon Collider 2D. Use it as a trigger. Make a prefab.
Oh, as a trigger. Right. It does need to trigger stuff. It's true. They add everything this to this circle. Ah, wait, whatever. It's not gonna come back and No, it's fine, it's fine. It has it, it has it. Da, 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 da.
Delete one from the scene, and it's important to use the prefab from the project window as a reference.
Oh, I did not do that. Okay. Okay. Okay, we done now.
Now, when we press the space key, we create the bullet. However,
Okay.
if I want to shoot to the left side, and if I flip the player by changing the scale to -1, we spawn the bullet in the wrong direction. The easy fix is to flip the player using rotation on y-axis. That's why I will add another script to the player. Usually you flip the player in the script where you control movement, but this is a simple script that will just flip the player when I press the down arrow key. So in your script just use this transform.rotate function. Next, we need to add velocity to the bullet prefab. In the
We have
project window,
square bullets,
select
so
the bullet,
no square,
open
circle.
the prefab view, add one script. First, we need rigid body 2D and public variable speed. In the start function, get the rigid body 2D component, then set velocity to transform.right multiplied with speed. The transform right is the red axis in your scene view, and it will change side when you rotate the player. Choose the speed and...
Okay, so we would need to also add transform up, I guess? Okay, show me the script again. And we would need this to be a vector, not a variable, right? We need to make a vector out of this, because we are working in 2 dimensions, in 4 directions. Okay. I guess, wait, we don't flip our player. That might be the problem. Okay. How did he flip? Down arrow key. Okay, so that's for later. First, let's do this one. Gonna need to make it... Okay, wait, that's the shoot. Now we need to do it on bullet. Bullet thingy. Watch it. Let's name it like that. Okay, we got it. Bullet shoot. There we go. So we are gonna need what? It's not here. We don't gonna need the update because we only do it on start, yeah. We might need update for later, possibly, but maybe not for the shoot. For collision check, I guess. Public load speed. I guess we can check it, change it that way. If we don't define it right here. Okay. Rigid body 2D. RP. It's only for this one, so it shouldn't take from the other script. Get component. Rigid body 2D. Okay. And the velocity. The velocity will have to make as a vector again. Player movement. Okay, and we get transform that right and transform that up. That up. That up. If that's right and left, I'm guessing the other is up and down. I hope it works. I hope it works. Yeah, that will be the vector for the starting force, I guess. The starting speed. Because we need to work in all 4 directions. So that should work. Need some water as well. I ran out of tea. So sad. Okay, back to this. This should work, right? We have a rigid body. We get the rigid body, we get the speed. And then we create the speed for the bullet with the vector. With the combination of transform right and transform up. I'm not sure if transform up is the right term for this, but we will see. Let's check error messages. Oh, well. Okay. I have 2. Argument 1 and argument 2. Cannot convert from Unity Engine vector 3 to float. Huh? I'm trying to convert... What? Huh? Huh? But is it because speed is float? But speed is float in here as well, and it does not create a problem in here. So why would it create problem in here? This is the same speed. It did not bring up transform that up as a problem, which I like. But the other problem seems problematic. Okay, let's Google it. Cannot convert from Unity G engine dot vector 3 to float. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so this seems to be the problem. Okay, so seems like it should be transform that forward. Okay, that's one thing. Another that it's completely not right. Wait, in that case, I'm... No, that's probably not gonna be all right. You know, it's only a small fragment, I'm guessing. I guess it's because this is... So this line is a problem. Can I... In that case, can I make it just now? Can I do it? Do it like this. Transform that rotation times, and then I will just take... But I wouldn't take speed in... Wait, I don't need to... Then I can just do it without the whole vector. No, that's not gonna work, right? That's crazy. This is gonna be so... Yeah, that's... That's another new bug. I mean, error message. Okay, how did he do it? Wait, he did it like this. Huh?
The transform right is the red axis in your scene view, and it will change side when you rotate the player. Choose the speed and we can test it. Great.
Wait. Okay, so I arrived at the same conclusion as he did. That's nice. Almost, because I am using transform that rotation while he's using transform that right, but that's because I have all 4 directions of movement while he has only 2, I'm guessing. Then we still have a problem. No problems have been detected into workspace. Hey Donna, how are you doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. How's it going? Haven't seen you in a while. No idea what you plan on making, but I wish you good luck with it. For now, the plan is very simple. Since I'm starting from basically 0, I have very little experience with this. Is to make asteroid shooter or asteroids. Like, I don't know if you remember that old game on Atari, that where you basically fly around and shoot asteroids. So that's my very first idea. I've nailed the move around part, right? I did that. Managed to do that. But now I'm trying to make it shoot things. And it all takes a while. I'm trying to find my... The big problems so far were me misspelling stuff. That took me like over half an hour to find. But besides that, it's going slowly. Hey, if I save this... Wait, I didn't change anything. Okay, let's just start with the right. Let's just start with 1. We only want to shoot left and right. Okay, that's fine. Will this work? No. Oh, well, yes. What? Excuse me, what? Why does it work? Is this rotation just not the value I can assign to it? Huh? Oh, wait. This is not good. Okay, this is not good. What the heck is this? Why is it like this? It's because I moved... Okay. Yeah, it's because I moved the square, of course. How do we reset that? Okay. Okay, now it's good. Still needs to move this one down. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Now we get... No. No, we reset it again. No, we move all of it. The whole player. There we go. And now the bullet should... Yep, speed. Let's give it 5 speed. We make it fast. Our bullets will be fast when they spawn. Let's see. Okay, yep, we can still move around. Yeah, I mean, it's spawning something. I'm not gonna finish this drawing. It's spawning something. It's not giving it speed. Huh? Wait, right. Why did it not... There is a problem. There should be one more thing I should be able to attach to the bullet, no? Let me look at the script. Yeah, rigid body 2D. There should be... Did I... I guess I need to add it again. Rigid body 2D. zero gravity, thank you. And then we go collider. We need the circle collider. Okay. Okay. Maybe that's what it was lacking. I guess when I moved it from top here, it's forgot. How about now? Now it should have physics and stuff. Okay, it okay, it kinda works. It kinda works, yeah. It for sure applies force. I meant moves the player, rotates basically the player. Can I? Oh. We have recoil. We've made recoil, I guess. I can try to learn the recoil controllers. I don't know. Interesting. Very interesting. So it works partially, right? It creates... Oh, wait. I think I know why this. Okay, I know why it creates out there, because I need to update the shooting position. Because it used to be in a different place, like it used to be like somewhere there. Okay, does that fix it? Shouldn't it update itself? Okay, never mind. Never mind. Just changing the bullet speed. Let's change it to 2, for example. If I change that, and it should spawn closer, I guess? No, it does it? Not sure. What if I give it speed 0, then it should spawn right on top, if that's it. No, it's not that. Okay. Bullet speed. Let's go back to 5. Okay. Still got the problem. It does not want to call the rigid body. Is it because we get the component at the start? What if I deleted this line? Oh, I guess let's not be so fast, let's comment it instead. Let's not go around deleting stuff just yet. Does that mean... Huh? The script, no, it will not ask us for it. Okay. Did I spell it right? Does the space need to be here? I don't think so. It's usually not. Yeah, it shouldn't. Did I spell anything? Get component. No. RB. Rigid body 2D. That's fine. That's fine. I mean it. So what's the problem here? Oh, I forgot to change that, and I was still on the vector. Okay. Okay. Maybe now. I was still thinking vectors. Oh. Rigid body does not contain... Is it because... Did it get a... No. Okay, we've got more problems. That was the problem. I think using linear velocity was the problem. But right now, we've got another problem. That it doesn't know which rigid body we are referencing. Why does it not know? Because we didn't give it to it, right? Ooh. Shouldn't it take this one? If it gets get component?
Point field. Then we need to create a bullet prefab. I will use triangle sprite, change size and color. Add rigid body 2D, set gravity to 0 and freeze rotation on Z axis. Then we need any type of collider. I will choose Polygon Collider 2D. Use it as a trigger, make a prefab, delete one from the scene, and it's important to use the prefab from the project window as a reference. Now, when we press the space key, we create the bullet. However, if I want to shoot to the left side, and if I flip the player by changing the scale to -1, we spawn the bullet in the wrong direction. The easy fix is to flip the player using rotation on y-axis. That's why I will add another script to the player. Usually you flip the player in the script where you control movement, but this is a simple script that will just flip the player when I press the down arrow key.
I guess I can add that. Doesn't seem too complicated. I doubt it will fix my problem right now, but if you can't fix a problem, just make more. Alright? Rotation. I'm guessing. It's opened. So this would be in the void flip. Okay. New function, okay. I could call it rotate, I guess. And we want W? Can I just do like WSAT? Wait, can I not update it in the movement? Give me a second. The player movement, right? Can I not just update it and make it with this vector? Can I reuse this? let me try. Rotate and key. How to reference that? That will be a bad idea, wouldn't it? I mean, that won't work. Let's first of all, because that makes no sense why it should work. I'm inputting vector as a... Yeah. Vector that. Can I just... If I do this, probably no. That's also not gonna work. No. Oh, yeah, right. I need the where it's facing, so the right, the red arrow times like this. Okay. Come on, work with me. No. 2D does not contain definition for velocity, velocity. Oh wait, that's for... Oh wait, so that works. Okay, we are back to the previous error. Nice. We have not created more errors. Very nice. Now... Which one was it? It was... Oh wait, I can delete this one. Player data rotation from the player. Remove component. There we go. And delete this one as well. Okay. Now back to this one. Don't save. It's this one, right? That's causing problems. Bullet shoot. Oh, yeah, bullet shoot. The rigid body 2D does not contain a definition for velocity. Do we need to create? No.
In this video, I'm gonna show.
Stop it.
Hello everyone. 2D.
Yes.
You flip to open D and public variable speed.
So we
In
got
start
those.
function, get the rigid body 2D component. Then set velocity to transform that right multiplied with speed.
Okay, yeah. So we've got that, but that's not working. Oh, of course. It's uppercase sensitive. CJ, learn that. Learn that. Yes. What? Huh? Okay. So now No error messages. Good. So we should be able to shoot. Does not work. Why does it not work? And also we cannot rotate. Wait, I need to double check the... Wait, that's not in fix update, that's in update. I guess. Maybe that's gonna work. But it doesn't matter that much. We still need you need the bullet to travel.
B. The transform right is the red axis in your scene view, and it will change side when you rotate the player. Choose the speed and we can test it. Great, we can shoot bullet.
I can't. Okay.
The rigid body 2D component. Then set velocity to transform that right multiplied with speed.
What if transform that right is 0? The speed would be 0, right? That would create a problem. But it can't be 0, right? It's either 1 or minus 1. Alright, wait. It's... Yeah, it's 1. It's 1. So that's not the problem. The speed is also not 0. No, that's not gonna change anything. I want to at least get this one to work. Not player shoot, I need bullet shoot. Why is it still linear velocity? I just want velocity. Did it change because of this thingy that popped up? No. No. Rigid body 2D velocity is obsolete. Please use rigid body 2D linear velocity instead. Sure, but is it gonna work like this? Maybe I need to find a newer tutorial. Okay. No, it's still not working. Okay, good. I mean bad. I mean, yeah, still bad. Let's find another tutorial then. Oh.
Hey guys.
Okay. Found something.
Paul Blakey here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how we can fire a bullet towards like and subscribe if you right here. And if I hit play, all we've got is a simple player that can move around and an enemy that will chase us. So before we start writing some scripts, there is some things that we need to do in the editor first. Firstly, we're going to click on our player and we're going to give him an empty transform child. So go ahead and click this plus sign and just press create empty child. We're just going to call this rotate point and make sure to zero this out on the X, Y and Z axes, so a square in the middle of our player. Next we're going to create a child underneath this rotate point, so go ahead and do the same thing, but this time we're going to call this bullet transform. And this is going to act as two things. It's going to act as the point where the bullet instantiates from and gives you a visualization of where the player is going to aim at. So on this empty component, I'm just going to add a sprite renderer and I'm just going to use the square right here. You can use any asset for this, it doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to change the color to black here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag this out all the way to the side so we can see it. And I'm going to set the size to about 0.2. That looks great. And essentially what is going to happen is we're going to have a mouse aiming around like you saw at the start, and this is going to follow and rotate around the player depending on where the mouse is. Now
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
we've got that out of the way, we need to actually create the script. So we're going to click on our rotate point, we're going to go on add component and we're just going to type shooting, and we're going to open a new script here. So double click on that to open Visual Studio. So in this brand new script, I'm going to assign some floats initially. Firstly, we're going to call a private camera, and we'll just call it main cam. And then straight away, we're going to assign this in the start function. So we're going to go main cam equals game object dot find game object with tag main camera. And then off of this game object, we are going to get the component of camera. And then close it off with a semicolon. Now there is another way you can do this, but this method is helpful if you have two cameras and you need to assign a particular camera, so I always just do it like this. But I guess either way, it depends on the game you're making. Now we're going to assign a vector3 of current mouse position, so we're going to go private vector3, and we're going to call this mouse pos. And the reason these variables are private is because we don't need to see them in the inspector, as we can assign them directly from the script. And now in our update function, we are going to set our mouse position to our main camera dot screen to world point, and then inside these brackets we're going to put our input dot mouse position.
Okay.
So what we're doing here, we are setting this vector3 to our input dot mouse position, which is wherever we are moving about with our cursor. So if the mouse position is down to the bottom right, that is where the vector3 will be, and same for any point on the map. So now with the information we have, we need to create a rotation vector. So we're just going to go vector3 rotation. We're just going to create this directly in update, and we are going to equal this to our mouse position minus our transform dot position. Make sure this is only one equal sign here to get rid of those errors like I just had. And now we're going to make a float, and we're going to call this rot z, because we're going to be rotating on the z axis. And we're just going to go mathf dot atan2. So this is a math function which will give us an angle in radians. So this line can get a little bit confusing, but just follow along for the results at the end. So we're going to do rotation, which is the vector3 that we just made up here, dot y for the y, and rotation dot x for the x.
Okay, yeah.
This function takes in a y float and an x float. And then we're going to multiply this by another math function called rad to deg, or however you want to say it. And this will basically convert our radian to degrees, as that is how we are creating our rotation. Finally, we have
Makes
set the
sense.
rotation of our transform to quaternion, which is a rotation function, dot Euler, which will return a rotation around the z-axis. And we're going to set for the x, we're going to set 0. For the y, we're going to set 0. But for the z, we're going to set it to our rot z, which is right here. And then we're going to close this off with a semicolon. And now
Okay,
if I
that
go and hit play here,
makes
you can see
sense.
that we have some very
Hey, that's
nice
kinda
rotation
cool.
movement. So at the moment we've got no bullet and nothing firing, as we haven't.
Okay, that's actually kinda good. So instead of aiming, as I maybe initially thought, just by moving WSAD and having a static point on the player, aiming with mouse is actually a better idea. Especially for this type of game. For the platformer or like the side scroller. This method will be better, but okay, yeah, I like this. Let's try making this. Okay, a slight problem is the square is a child of the player, and that's not good. Like, it should be, this should be this right here. Can I? Sprite renderer, and we go square. How we make square? Square. Thank you. Yep. And then we can delete this one since it doesn't have anything else, yeah? Okay, nice. Got rid of one problem. Ta-da. Can delete this one. Not gonna need that one then. I guess I could have used this for the other thingy, right? How did he name it? We go with, where is it? Bullet transfer and rotation point. Okay, makes sense. Okay, and then the place where we will shoot bullets from, right? So let's add, what do we add? Guess can be another square. We like squares. Squares are nice. Okay, let's make it smaller. Will this be enough? Yeah, that seems good enough for me. Like this. That seems nice. Yeah, okay.
And essentially what is going to happen is we're going to have a mouse aiming around, like you open video. Straight away we're going to assign a component and we're just going to type.
Right, now script for... I guess we do have the bullet shoot script. It's gonna be completely new though. Alright, it's not gonna be the same, so... Okay, and I understand why he did it like this. I guess the camera is to see, like... Oh wait, then I would also need to follow player with the camera, right? Okay, that can be set up later though. I can do that later. But something to be aware of. Wait, so I'll just in case add it here. Wait, do I want that? Maybe. I might want the static screen instead. I might want static screen. Well, we'll see. Let's create the variables. Mouse position, okay. So that's gonna be nice to have. Okay. Object. Yeah, we search. Search the main camera. Take camera from that. Okay, makes sense. Need to know where on the camera where mouse is, I'm guessing. Main cam that, yeah, screen to world point. So we're gonna get from the camera, we are gonna get position of our mouse based on the camera, right? Are you copy pasting? That's disgusting that you need help. I'm not really copy-pasting. I'm adapting the code for my standards or for my applications. So far, this is exactly what I need, so I am kind of copy-pasting this one, but I also am taking the parts I need, and at least I'm trying to understand those.